Do you want to create a closer relationship with your customers and your business? Do you want to get better at WhatsApp marketing? It doesn't matter if your company is big or small, WhatsApp Business can be a valuable tool for you. So if you want to know how you can use this app for your business, keep watching this video to learn everything you need to know and how to see some examples of successful strategies. Let's get started. First of all, what exactly is WhatsApp Business? Well, WhatsApp Business is a completely free application that is designed for businesses to communicate with customers. In recent years, it has become a very useful tool for both customer service and marketing. This app is separate from the original WhatsApp you use to communicate with family and friends. The Business app is designed specifically for businesses to communicate with customers. One advantage of this app is that it can be used on the same device as your regular WhatsApp account. This means you can keep your regular WhatsApp account with your personal contacts and your business account with your professional contacts. This means you can also keep your personal number and a separate business number, which is recommended so that your customers aren't contacting you at any possible time or hour. When you set up your business account, you can choose between importing your existing contacts to your business account or deleting them and starting fresh. Just remember to be careful if you delete the contacts and chats, because if you want to go back to a personal account later, you will no longer have the conversation with your friends and family, and some contacts will also have been deleted. In general, we recommend that you don't delete your contacts and chats when you install the WhatsApp Business app if you think you might need them later. Another benefit of WhatsApp Business is that it is compatible with WhatsApp Web, and it's also available for Android and iOS. There are many reasons why a company should have a WhatsApp Business account. It allows you to share business information with customers. With this app, you can share data in your profile that your customers find useful, such as your location, email address, business hours, and even some links to the products on your website. It's a way to save time and easily answer the most commonly asked questions from your customers. You can optimize customer service. With WhatsApp Business, customers can get a quick response. Also, it's possible to automate an absent or automatic reply. This is especially useful if a customer contacts you outside of office hours. This way, the customer is aware instantly that they will get an answer in a few hours or maybe the next business day. You can provide highly effective and quick customer service. Customers increasingly value fast, personalized communication from companies. You can create some quick answers linked to a keyword. For example, if you want to say, "Thank you for your purchase. You will have the delivery information as soon as the package is sent," you can type the keyword /thank you and it will automatically write out the long answer. You can also set up a greeting message when a new number contacts you. With that message, you can give them all the information they want without having to write it out every single time. You can easily send files. WhatsApp Business allows you to send files through the app. It's also possible to upload a list of products so that customers can look at it anytime. In short, WhatsApp Business allows you to be more accessible to your customers and quickly resolve any questions or issues they may have. With this tool, you can handle customer service in a much more efficient way. But WhatsApp Business isn't just for customer service. Did you know that you can also conduct marketing campaigns too? Here are just a few examples. Adidas. In 2020, Adidas created their 100% Unfair campaign to introduce their new Predator line of football boots. Using WhatsApp, they sent a message to amateur teams allowing them to rent a pred, which meant they could replace the team member who had dropped out last minute. The replacement player would show up wearing the new boots. For customers, this campaign allowed them to receive footage of their favorite athletes showing off Adidas' new line, and even have the chance to meet their idols, while allowing Adidas to increase their interactions with their customers and promote the new shoes. Organge. This telecommunications company uses WhatsApp to keep their customers informed on a variety of activities, like tracking orders, returning products, or general questions. This allows them to quickly solve questions with the apps and avoid an overload of calls to their call center. Another example is small restaurants. They can use WhatsApp Business to send their menu, confirm bookings, or send promotions and discounts to their customers. If you need a quick, easy, and accessible way to communicate with your customers, then this just might be the tool for you. And that's all for today. I hope you've learned how you can use WhatsApp Business and how to apply it to your brand. If you want to learn other techniques and tools for your business, check out our channel. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you next time.